crane form. Start off.
Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, the Corn Kung Fu tutorial. In this video, you're gonna find everything you need for Corn Kung Fu. So we'll be leading you step by step for technique, self-defense skill application. So in this video, we're gonna emphasize for the elbows, wrappings, the kicks, and also the balance. Alright, time to start. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell button, and welcome to leave your comment and likes. Let's go!
The crane kick is a fictionalized version of the Mei Tobi Jerry, Japanese. The move was created by Daryl Vidal for the classic film The Karate Kid, 1984, on the martial arts spinning side kick or reverse side kick. The spinning side kick is similar to a spinning back kick. However, the foot/leg is kicked laterally in the spinning side kick versus kicking like a mule with the spinning back kick. For information on other martial arts kicks, i.e., axe kick, please visit Black Belt Wiki's main kicking techniques page. With the spinning side kick, the martial artist will step forward and spin their body backwards before throwing the side kick. This spin generates extra momentum and thus creates a more powerful kick. It should only be practiced under the supervision of a trained martial arts instructor in order to prevent injuries and to ensure the proper technique is utilized. In addition, all martial arts techniques and training should be used safely and responsibly. An elbow strike, commonly referred to as simply an elbow, is a strike with the point of the elbow, the part of the forearm nearest to the elbow, or the part of the upper arm nearest to the elbow. Elbows can be thrown sideways similarly to a hook, upwards similarly to an uppercut, downwards with the point of the elbow, diagonally or in direct movement and in several other ways, like during a jump. Elbow strikes are native to the traditional Southeast Asian martial arts, traditional Chinese martial arts and traditional Okinawan martial arts.
我不再飞翔，那里是我栖息的地方。每个人都拥有信仰，不到终点不算最后。我想站在山顶高岗，一起释放耀眼的光芒。我才是风，在奋斗，平平淡淡，心自由。
Everybody take it down.
Balance is described as the ability to stay in control of your body movement or to stay upright. Coordination is defined as the ability to move two or more parts of your body smoothly, efficiently, and under control. As simple as both sound, they are in reality difficult for anyone without proper training. Balance and coordination are vital parts of activities like sports, fighting in a ring, or even martial arts. They are important to martial arts because good balance, coordination, and stability can mean all the difference between avoiding a strike, winning or losing, or kicking power. By perfecting control of your balance and coordination, you experience vital benefits such as Crane Kung Fu balance.
我在释放，在奋斗，平平淡淡，心自由，反反复复，在追求，让我大胆狂野。我在释放，在奋斗，这份平淡，前行总是给我力量，让我奔向前方。
Everybody think it's awesome.
Now is the tutorial for the technique, the Korean Kung Fu. So follow me. The first three moves, you gotta go punch and with your elbow. This is a vertical punch. You squeeze your hand very tight, like this, flat and vertical. So this is attack straight to your opponents, and you are lean the other side. Because when you attack, at the same time you defense. So you punch. So normally people will punch you back, so you lean your body sideways and you punch the sideways. Just like this person punched me and I lean sideways. And then I punch back. So when I go punch and punch after, once I got a chance and I'll use I twist my waist and my shoulder to attack. So now let's train and to make it fast you can and strong you can for the punches. So let's start slow. You gotta punch and punch and punch. Just twist your waist and your shoulder just a little bit. So you go punch and punch. And you can add in more speed and you can make it two, like a one move, right? So as soon you twist this way and you gotta try step your right, twist your shoulder and same time you got the elbow attack with this. So in the form you can use your hand to make this as target. Like this. First steps, you same, you go step your left, step your right. As soon you step your right, you twist your shoulder and you go boom, elbow like this. So let's do again. So 1 and 2 and twist, boom, elbow. Faster, stronger. So you go za, za, steps. See those steps, boom, boom. So make your left and right, and quick you can. And stop, and twist with your elbow. So that's the speed. You don't need to be too big or too small. It's about the movement, how effective. So thinking about the intention. So as soon you got your elbow, your hand to become current hand. This is a grappling move, and this is a poke. After, you follow by a strong strike from top. This is a fist, also it's the elbow. You can use the fist, just attack the hand on top, or you can close it. depends how tall this person, your opponent, right? So you can use kind of like elbow strike, down, or you can use the face, right? So make it stronger. You go grabbing, poke, step your right, strike. See the steps. Left step, grabbing, right, poke. Same thing, you always stay set with your opponent, like this way, and you poke. Go this way, you got punch back. So you go side way, boom, and then you lean the other side, depends on the situation. So from top. The same thing when you do this training, you got to repeat right technique. Step to your left, grabbing, step to your right, you go poke, and step. Your arm go above your head, you step left, and you make a strong strike. And then you make that step very strong. Right? So you go step, also help you with the power to attack. Our Kung Fu is 无快不破, means the speed is the king. Speed is the key to win the game. Like the real combat, most of the situation you're not gonna to knock down your opponents like that easily, but you can win by the point. How? Because of the speed. If you just top more than the other person, so you win the game. Speed is our key. So now we put this together with your speed training. So training with your feet, wrist, quick, and and that's how you do. And plus your hands, you go and you go speed. So that's how the way you go. Speed your feet, speed your wrist. I go punch, and you go turn. So follow this three move. So you repeat and make it better. So you go 1, 2, 3. And you go 1, 2, 3. So speed, go, attack, boom. Right? The same thing when you connect with the other move. So you go right? So you got grabbing the arm, poke the eye, and then you go boom like this. So make that three move connect with the first three move. Let's do this. So go. So this is the goal. To push your speed the faster you can. So each time you think you gotta be better than last time you do. So after this, you go. So this is two different kicks. This kick called the Neo's kick. You bend your knee sideway and you use your toe attack your opponents. So you go shing. So your toe like a Neo and attack. Side over the head, maybe the neck, maybe the shoulder. Depends how tall your opponents. So as soon you got this kick, land. You go punch and pound and cross your hand. This can be grabbing movement or dodge movement to protect yourself. And you go start, knee lift, and go shoot. You go kick the leg. Neo's kick, punch, pound, grabbing or block. To kick, quick switch your steps. Your palm from top, strike from the top. And grabbing, I poke high. In the form, we do shata. It's the same meaning you got grabbing the hand. Grabbing the hand and twist. And you can even twist more. Punch, pull down, punch, punch. So this powerful form is the tripping. So your leg like sweep, and your hand to grabbing the leg, or just for keep your balance. So without your hand, your tripping will be a little hard, right? You can set target on the floor, and you're really tripping right there, and then you're really tripping right there, and really tripping right there, and really tripping right there. So this way training, you have clear direction and target to attack. So this move we mentioned earlier in our video. So this is the balance move and connects with the corner kick. So for the balance, we already have the training drill earlier. So how you can training in high place or in the low chair. So the balance is very important in martial arts, all martial arts. You go attack or defense or you kick or spinning, so you all need your balance. And you clear to keep your balance in center line, and you know which direction you got to change this way and punch, kick, dash, and come back. So all those things very important. So keep up your training, but not just still movement. Also work on kick and moving. Keep your balance in your action. That's the goal with training. Alright, so that's all for today, my friend. So keep your heart training, but don't forget to drink more waters. I drink 2 gallons water at least every day. So keep your lung energy and to keep your brain clear. Also good for your joint or for your bones. So drink water. The other thing is very important is recovery for your martial arts training. So martial arts requires a lot of speed and power, a lot explosive from your leg, your arm. So you will getting sore after training. So very important to get recovery. So recovery can be use your eyes or heat, of course, sleep well, eat well. All right, my friend, I love you all. I see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment and likes. Bye bye.